So starting the test drive in this Acadia AT4. People complain about the 2.5 turbo 4 being in here, but it's actually a pretty potent engine. Feels quicker to me than the outgoing, well, I should say the still available V6, but certainly feels better than the 2-liter turbo that you get in the XT6. But this also is just a more fuel efficient engine. It feels quicker off the line, more fun to drive in my opinion. Just might not be as beefy feeling as a typical V6. Specifically the 3.6 that was in these for a long time. I'm gonna put it into the all-wheel drive mode. Gonna slow down here. Here we go. So it wasn't flooring it by any means. Just wanted to kind of get up to speed normally. But I think a pretty nice pickup there. Gonna transfer it back to 2-wheel drive, and then I'm gonna put it into the sport mode for a minute, but really liking the overall feel of how this drives down the road. Easy to control, not overly loud in my opinion. Pretty smooth actually as I sit here coming down the road. But the overall visibility is good in here. I like how even though the hood doesn't necessarily slant down as much as I would like, it's certainly not intruding on my view space. It just, you're kind of looking up and, well, I guess looking down, so it's lower, but it's not necessarily slanted, but it still doesn't hurt visibility, and it makes for a more aggressive look, I think. But driving dynamics are great. Love the brake pedal feel, gas pedal feel, the steering dynamics, and all of that. Now I want to give one more thanks to Chevrolet Buick GMC of Murfreesboro for allowing me to review this Acadia today. I'll leave a link below in the description. If you're looking to find a vehicle like this closer to home, click on that second link down below. It takes just a minute to fill out your information, and I'll make sure the local dealers are fighting to get you the best price on this or whatever new vehicle you might be interested in. Now here at Chevrolet Buick GMC of Murfreesboro, they do offer a lifetime powertrain warranty, so that'll cover your engine, your transmission, turbo. So it's nice to have that. But honestly, for the money, I think this is a pretty solid, in this segment, I think it's a pretty solid deal just compared to the other trim levels that are offered for the Acadia Traverse. Even just looking at other vehicles in the segment, something like this, like an Explorer or a Highlander, something like that. I feel like this is a good price for a more desirable, better looking SUV, I think. Reliability wise, I can't really speak on that because this is a new powertrain, but places like here, again, at this dealership, they offer a lifetime powertrain warranty to kind of help you with your fears, if you will. But overall, like the luxury package, I think for the, what is it, $1,150 or whatever it is, $1,200, not bad for what you get, especially adding the cooled seats. I love having the panoramic sunroof, the heads-up display. Heated steering wheel is a nice touch here. And if you're looking at the AT4 trim, this is just how I would get mine equipped. Now the ebony twilight metallic, pretty color, but for the extra money, I might just try and see what a standard color would run me, just depending on what those are. I'm not for certain, but These actually look good in white. Again, I don't know if anything else doesn't cost money, but just depending on how much you're wanting to spend, if it's really a big deal. The sticker that I showed in the walk around portion just kind of helps with how you might want to equip this to save money, or if you have a must-have feature, what package you want to get. But I think this is a solid SUV in 2025. With all that being said, this will bring me to the end of my review of this 2025 GMC Acadia AT4 with all-wheel drive.